The following movie is rated R.
Alright, it's going.
Alright, take two. And just for editor's notes, I hope this is a good shot because Nick has really fucked around with this camera for a long time to get it just right, and I think I like it.
I think he's got to keep it there.
Hey folks, welcome on another camp trip with Jay, and as you can see this time I am not alone. You're probably asking yourself, who is this stranger sitting next to me? Well, who are you?
I'm Jay's brother and your spawn.
I have a brother? That's right, I have a brother. And we're hitting traffic. Shit.
Oh, it's fine. I'm really hoping that banana split and ice cream Belgian waffle I had this morning for breakfast doesn't tear me up for the rest of the day.
I don't know who eats ice cream for breakfast, but I guess my brother.
Okay, to be fair, I didn't know it had ice cream on
But that didn't hold you back. Alright, so here we are on our, what's this road we're on, Nick? US 131 North.
That's right.
Heading up to Cadillac, Michigan, on over to Manistee. It is September 3rd?
Yeah, I think so.
Fourth, Labor Day weekend. And we're heading up to do some camping on the Manistee River. Looks like we could be hitting some rain. But Nick says he's okay with that. He's good with rain.
I'm used to that. I guess we're heading up to Holden Pile Dam. I can't wait to see what the piles of things that they're holding are.
Holden Pile.
Hopefully not shit.
Yeah. I've been to Holden Pile a couple of times. It's a good reference point. And depending on what side of the dam, there's an awesome mountain bike trail. It's a double black diamond. I've done that before. Very choice. It's like 16 miles out and back.
Double black. What are you taking me on?
No, we're going to be on the south side of the river. We're going to be doing a trail, a foot trail, and I have a very specific camp spot I'm trying to get to that I've always wanted to camp at. Should I let this guy go around? Man, it's like the caravan of minivans back there.
What's so popular at the top of this fucking hill?
I don't know. And it's looking cloudy. It hasn't rained up here yet, but it looks like it could at any moment.
Maybe this road will get smoother after it rains?
Fuck, no.
You know, we passed a house that looks like the Amityville Horror. And over there, I swear to God, is the Waco compound.
Space, but it didn't work out that way. Okay, Nick and I are looking for some shit food. Any shit food will do. We passed up some gas station food. Now we're having second thoughts, but
break. It is that time of day too. A couple more hours, they'll be looking for food.
Because they're diurnal animals. Yeah. Now, just give you a heads up for editor's note. The time is 3:30. Just wanted to make sure. It was a little earlier.
We are still alive at this point.
We are, but we just saw some bear tracks. Fresh bear tracks. So we're going to keep talking and make lots of noise, because one of the best things you can do if you think there's bear in the area is just let them know you're there. They hear you. I'm not going to yell, hey bear, because I think that's just fucking ridiculous, but I'm going to keep talking.
I'm going to keep quiet because I want to see some fresh bear. Nice mushrooms.
Don't eat them. Those aren't the kind of mushrooms that Nico gives us. Dark down in there.
Mm-hmm.
I imagine there's like packs of wolves or something down there. Something scary. Well, we've done a lot of hiking and we're not even on our main trail yet. But once we get across the bridge, then the adventure begins. Whoa, it kind of jiggles there as well.
Yeah, it does.
Are you doing that?
No.
It's just naturally doing
Well, I
that?
mean, I did it for a second, but then I realized
Okay.
it was actually kinda nice.
Too many people. Oh yeah. But when I go on kayak, I camp on that side of the river.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is all set up for. I've seen a few. Trying to get the river and you behind me. Without falling into the river. Oh, there's a good call. There's nothing there anyways. That's pretty good. Yeah, I think this will work. For sure. You get to hear the water. That's right. And we got a fire pit already made and logs to sit on. It's not as dry as I'd like, but pretty wet and soggy. Show you a trick Dad showed me when I was little. This birch burns even when it's wet. And it doesn't just burn. I mean, it's combustible. Whoa! Is that your spoon? That is your spoon, because I mixed your meal up and took it out of this. Nobody can go, where's your spoon? I have it in my special spoon location. You're going to Actually, it doesn't need to be made tonight because I flew first thing in the morning. Things just got real. Did you see that bitch? That's a bad boy right there. The old Agua Cannon Boreal 21. This was like Are you, are you jumping in?
Yeah.
I'm so curious how this is gonna go down. I feel like Step Brothers movie. Now there's more space for activities.
It's gonna be a fucking train wreck, I can tell. I love it when you moan like that so close to me.
Can you go in red light mode? There's another button you need to start pushing. There you go.
Alright.
You can do it.
You can do it!
All night long. You're way down there.
So low.
Oh, that's okay though. I feel like Gilligan Skipper. The thing is it comfy? Are you comfy? Are you touching the ground?
Not touching the ground.
Are you comfy?
It'll be a learning sensation. Alright.
You look like you planed out.
How do I close this coffin?
You're getting there.
Oh, reach! No. Got it. Yep. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Get it.
All right. Well, here we are. Snug as a bug in a rug in our hammocks. Right by the campfire. This will be Nick's first time ever sleeping all night in a hammock. Or camping in a hammock. He didn't bring a... He did not pack the tarp that I handed him. So we rigged both hammocks under my tarp in hopes that this works, because it's been raining all day. And there'll be a little rain tonight. Anyways, after a long drive, and we did about 4.5 miles, we finally found a camp spot, even though a lot of spots were taken by a camp group that I think was from church. And Nick decided to yell, Jesus!
I'm sorry, people.
Anyways, to our bad karma, it looked like we had to hike another mile past those folks. But Nick, I think we found a choice spot, don't you, bud?
Yeah. I really hope it doesn't rain more tonight.
Neither do I. I'm gonna peek down on my little brother and make sure he's okay down there. We're in a tree in hammocks and different layers and tiers, and he's just one below me, and which he's lucky, because I'll get out and pee at least 5 times tonight. All right. Good night, folks. And if you see any more footage, because Sasquatch is chasing us, or we hear the alarm and it's time to go up the hill really fast.
Yeah, Nick is looking pretty happy here. I gotta be honest, I feel pretty bad. He doesn't know what's about to come.
Hands down, the best camp meal. I'd eat it for lunch and dinner, but then I'd have nothing to look forward to. Nick, how do you like yours?
I like the beef. I rehydrated well.
Yeah, meat does do pretty good on the rehydration.
Man, I walk over here and this thing starts steaming.
Looks kind of detergent-y. Alright, we're just packing up. Being very methodical this morning. And looks like a beautiful morning on the river. It's a very wet night last night. This is kind of Nick and I slept side by side. We didn't even do that when we were kids. And I hope that we had a lot of fun doing it. We stayed up and oh, fuck it. It's Michigan. We smoked some pot, or I smoked some pot. He did some gummies, and we listened to some Bigfoot Sasquatch stories and fell asleep after a good beer buzz. It was a good night. So you're going to slip that in the netting on my back. Let's see what I'm talking about. Okay.
That's a couple of GoPros.
Yeah.
Good luck, GoPros.
You ready to go?
film this. Oops, stick it there. It looks very aerated. It looks crystal clear. We'll see in a couple of days how this works out. Off that creek way down there, rolling up this hill. Nice, refreshing sensation. How's Nick doing back there? Is he still back there? Did he leave me? All right, so we've hiked exactly 2 hours. Gotten 4 miles, which is on target to get us to the bridge in the next 2 hours. I shouldn't have said that too loud, but that's also about the time we're gonna set up camp. So let's see if we do camp on this side or the other side of the bridge. I think Nick is struggling. I'm feeling it. Sure is pretty. Work it, work it. Hey, look. Here, let's just go straight up the hill. Oh shit, fuck. Sure you don't want to fill up the old life straw before we go up that hill?
I figured we'd take one more break after this. I'd drain the life straw, and then the next place we take a break at, I'd fill it up.
Sounds good. You want to take a break now or keep marching?
Keep marching.
Okay.
We're halfway through our time here, and we're only a quarter of the way through the distance.
2 hours to
You
go.
gotta be boogie.
It's in 2 hours. You got 2 hours. You'll get to the bridge by 4. Between 3
We gotta get an hour and a half past, or a mile and a half past that thing.
Yeah, but we're gonna take the road. We're just gonna walk the road.
Yeah.
Not like this shit. This is like the Eiger sanction here. This slows us down. However, just so you know, we did 2.2 miles an hour on that last stretch, that last hour. Flipping, not me, but this. Fucking holy.
Hi, my name's Nick. I'm being held captive by a goon dick with a creepy white smile. He's about to throw me off this cliff. I've never been more excited about that.
Oh, feeling the pain. Here. Okay. Good campsites. triggered the light. All right, it's about 5 till 9, and we've already broke camp, and we're gonna circumvent through the woods because we had to pass some scary teenagers. Can't believe I'm saying that. On the way here, so I don't want to disturb them this morning if they've been up all night, you know, fucking and doing meth. So we're gonna take a shortcut, hopefully through the woods, and then it's 4 miles of trail, 4 miles of road to the switchback. And I'm gonna leave Nick with the gear and run up the switchback and go get the truck. What's that? We're going to the kids?
Yeah, they're right there.
No, they're not. They're that way. Those are the scary kids in question. Now we begin our very long, epic road journey. Punched out around the kids, came out of the woods. You can see them way back there behind me, fucking off doing meth. Alright, it's like getting on 11 o'clock. Nick and I have been walking down this long ass road for about 2 hours now, and our goal is to get to a point where there is a switchback, and we're gonna drop rocks. Nick's gonna stay with the gear. I'm gonna run the rest of the way up the hill, go get the truck, come down and get him. Life will be good. So, I'm gonna drop my rock here. There's the trail back to the car.
Sweet.
You're gonna stay here and probably chill for about an hour.
I'm cool with that.
I figured you would. This will be Nick's chill out spot for the next hour while I go hike uphill and retrieve the car. He says he's cool with this. Alright, homie, it's 11:20. I hope to be back by 12:10.
Okay.
Alright? Take a nap if you need it.
Will do.
Alright, hopefully I'll be fast. Alright, well, I've been going for about a mile. I'm on the final home stretch with about another mile and a half to go. Back to the truck, back to the parked it. I left Nick at a waypoint where the trail and the road we were on intersect. So I might be back in an hour for him. If I make a good time, I should be able to make that happen. It is a lot easier without the rock. Tell me how you really feel right now.
Oh. Still deciding on whether it should be Mexican or steak or something else.
It's gonna be the first thing that says, "Hey, eat me. Eat me now."
There's a hot dog joint probably in town.
I don't know. This guy guy watched me get naked. He was really staring at me.
If he's not done, his lover's done.
His dog?
Yeah.
His dog lover?
His dog lover.
His dog lover.
Oh, kisses. Kisses.
Yes, kisses on the asshole too.
So adorable.
Licks his cock and balls and then kisses you on the face.
Where'd that jar of peanut butter go that he walked in the woods with?
He polished that